Students, today we're gonna read and understand a beautiful poem that is Home and Love. Before we are going to recite this poem, I am telling about these words. Students, if you ask me, sir, which things do you like the most? Definitely I must say that is home and love. Not only me, but also everybody like these words very much. Why? Why everybody like these words very much? Because we live in our home. We are growing up in our home. Okay. In our home, there are many members living together. Yes or no? Yes. They are our parents, they are grandparents, our brothers, sister, etc. Yes or no? They have cooperation each other, they have collaboration each other, care each other, love each other, etc. That's why we love our home. We love our home because it is where we can rest, we can laugh, and we can find peace, and we can find comfort, etc. That's why we love our home very much. Okay, now we have to know about the poet of this poem. Who is the poet of this poem? Robert William Service is the poet of Home and Love. He was born in Preston. In which country? That is England. During his lifetime, he published 4 collections of poetry. Okay, now let's recite this poem. Just hum and love, just hum and love, just hum and love, the words are small, 4 little letters onto it, and yet will not find in whole. Just hum and love, the words are small, the wide and gracious range of speech, 2 more short, tenderly complete. When angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love, just home and love. Okay, now let's understand this poem. What the poet is saying about these words. Students, everybody listen carefully and try to understand every line, every word of this poem. Okay? Students, listen. Write the meanings of difficult words. I have written meaning of the difficult words in Odia. But you have to remember every meaning in English. Because in your exam, question will come in English. Yes or no? I have no writing material to write on screen. So whatever I am telling you, you can write in your notebook. Okay? Meaning of difficult words already has given in your English book. You have to focus on that. Just home and love, the words are small. Just home and love, the words are small, 4 little letters onto each. Here the poet says that home and love are small, very small. You can see here, each word carries only 4 letters. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count love word also 1, 2, 3, 4. That means both words are carry only 4 letters, but these words carries deep meaning also. And yet you will not find in all. Despite being small, these words are more meaningful than other words. We have uncountable words in our dictionary. Yes or no? Definitely yes. But the poet says you can never find this kind of words or this kind of sweetest words anywhere. The wide and gracious range of speech. Okay, write down some difficult words in your notebook. Wide means great or more than average wide. Okay. Gracious. Gracious means you can say pleasant and sweet. range. What is the meaning of range? Range means the distance within which person can see or hear. Okay. Speech. Speech, you have already know. Speech means the expression of or the ability to express thoughts and feelings. That is called speech. The wide and gracious range of speech. Students, this is a phrase word, you have to remember it because this line already came many times in your exam. Okay. What poet want to say? Even in the wide and beautiful world of speech and language, these home and love words are the most gracious words. Yes or no? Definitely yes. They hold the weight of countless experiences, relationships, and emotions, and shaping our life as well as language. Okay. The words home and love are not just simple words, they are rich in meaning and connection. Okay. Two more so tenderly complete. Okay. Tenderly. Tenderly means gentle and caring feeling. Okay. Okay, students, tell me, what do you feel when you think of home and love? Definitely, you may say you find they are safe, happy, and warm, etc. The poet also believes that home and love are the most complete and gentle words. When angels talk in heaven above, angels mean one of the spiritual beings that some people believe live with God in heaven and act as a God messenger. Okay, heaven means what? Above the sky where God and angels are living. Okay. Okay, students, now tell me, what kind of words do you think angels use in the heaven? Definitely you may say kind, soft, and loving. Okay. The poet also imagines angels in heaven speaking to each other about these two words, home and love. I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. He believes that even angels have no sweeter word than home and love. So we conclude that these two simple words, home and love, are the sweetest of all. Okay. Students, this is the first part of this poem. Second part will be coming soon. Thank you.